All right, everybody, thanks for joining me in today's video. Um, Doge, the coin that we love to hate, but can't get enough of, obviously, because we're all here looking at the chart for it. There's a big move coming for Doge. This move is going to be amazingly big. So please do make sure if you're watching this on YouTube, you like this video and subscribe. It helps with the algorithm. Make sure we get our video out to as many people as possible. But it also means that you'll be kept up to date with time-sensitive information about what we're trading, about what's happening in the charts and what we're expecting from different coins. It helps us out. If you're on TradingView, please make sure you follow us here and also on Twitter at CryptoPigMedia. So what is going to happen with Dogecoin? All right, guys. Well, there are potentially two scenarios that could play out right now for Doge. And one of those is a dead cat bounce. We could be seeing a breakout and we bounce and, head back down into that downward bearish channel. The other scenario, which is the one I'm going to go with, is the more bullish one, and that's that we've seen a breakout and a retest, and we're about to pump up to the all-time high and beyond. Now, maybe not the sort of 600, 900, whatever the stupid percentage was we had previously, but certainly some good potential gains. So why do I want to stick with the more bullish scenario? Well, first of all, I don't want to be a miserable old git. And second of all, if we bring the Fibonacci retracement tool in, you can see that actually we've bounced really nicely off the 0.5 level. So we've got that. We've got the fact that we're well above the 50-day and the 200-day moving averages. We were, in the oversold territory for the stochastic RSI, and as you can see there on the MACD, that we're still well above that zero line, and it doesn't look like we're heading towards it anytime soon. So, on the one-day chart and the more macro view, very bullish, and it's really confirmed when we drill down into the 1 hour chart. So you can see here that over the last few days, we've been seeing further accumulation of Dogecoin's price. And if we zoom out a little bit to just kind of get a better view of it, let's grab our trend line tool and let's pop in some trend lines. So we will take it from here and make sure we got our touch points. And then we will do our trending resistance level. And we'll take that from about here. Make sure we get as many touch points as possible. I think that will do. And there we go. Right. What are we looking at here? Well, as you can see, when we tried again for our all-time high, we almost did it. But you can see there that we have now been accumulating again within this channel, and it is effectively a bull flag. Now, we've had that nice breakout from the bull flag. And then what we've done is we found resistance around 64, 65, or 6.4, 6.5. And, now we're accumulating again. But look at that. We're accumulating along that trending resistance level, which in my opinion counts as a retest. And, I think that with the declining volume levels, the fact that the MACD looks like it's about to have a bullish crossover and head above the zero line here on this 1 hour time frame, that to me indicates that we could be looking at a nice pump for Dogecoin. Now, like I said, I'm feeling that on the macro view, it's much more bullish. So it is definitely possible that this will be a good pump. And I think that if we do pump, what will happen is perhaps we're going to probably test the 5.1 or 5.2 again, so continuing that channel. Then we're going to find ourselves bouncing and breaking out probably a bit. My drawing's awful, and I apologize for that already. But bouncing right out of there towards our all-time high again. And I'm not an artist, as you can see. I can't even draw a line on TradingView. But yes, I do think that we're going to bounce back up to try and attempt for the all-time high again, which will be a nice gain for anybody that gets in on this trade. we're looking about 61% heading that way. Now, what type of trade will I take? Well, I'm quite tempted to buy in at 5.18 and just set my stop loss for just below sort of 49, 4.9. It's still a very good risk to reward ratio. But if we come back into that channel, then it's quite likely that it's the dead cat bounce. So definitely doesn't look like a dead cat bounce though on the 1 hour time frame. Usually it's a much more pronounced shape, but it's probably the best sort of safest way to play this one in my opinion. I guess if you were really, really risk averse, then you would probably wait for the price to get back up over 6 cents before you buy in, and wait for that confirmation, which is a sensible way to do it. I might well not be sensible myself, and I might buy in at 5.1. So I'm expecting that to happen in the next sort of several hours, or at the most the next couple of days. Feeling very bullish about Dogecoin right now. We're going to see how that one plays out. So I hope that you found that video useful and helpful. If you did, please do make sure that you again like the video, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and also make sure that you're following me here on TradingView if that's where you are, and also on Twitter at CryptoPicMedia. All right, guys, everybody have a great day. Have a good weekend even. I'll be putting out more charts as I can, and I will see you all next time. Bye.